Tired of your Salesforce dashboard showing irrelevant data? Learn to add filters in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open your dashboard, then add a filter by field and value, and finally save it. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on the Dashboards tab to open your dashboard list. Then, click on Recent to see your most recently accessed dashboards. Now, click the drop-down arrow next to the dashboard you want to edit, in this case, My Sales Dashboard. Go ahead and click Edit to enter the dashboard builder. Once you're in, click Add Filter to start creating a new filter. Select the field you want to filter by. Here, we'll choose Billing Country, text only. Then click Add Filter Value to specify the value. Type in the value you want. We'll use Philippines. Click Apply to activate the filter. Now click Add to add it to the dashboard. Finally, click Save at the upper right to save your changes. That's it. You've added a dashboard filter. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.